I've been lost too many times, you know the feeling. Lost in the chaos of screaming thoughts, surrounded by the stubborn noise of expectations, doubts, and distractions. I've been there for too long, down in the hustle, struggling to find my way. But amidst the chaos, there was a whisper, a tiny, weak voice within calling me to silence the noise, to listen, truly listen. In that pause, I discovered clarity. The noise faded away and I found myself, still standing, still listening, still speaking my truth. It's not always an easy journey, but every moment of silence is a step to authenticity. Finally, I heard myself. The tiny voice became so clearer and stronger. And it reminds this, to remember who you are. You need to forget who they've told you to be. Embrace the silence. Listen to the voice within.